Hi there, I'm Bob Farrar from Pleneo. Really pleased to show you a new announcement that we made just yesterday, which is our Express Room Kits. First of all, very quickly about Pleneo. We are taking a software-driven approach to enable large meeting rooms or medium-large meeting rooms, which is a very simple to deploy, no hands-on technical support on the site. So everything's done through software and through the cloud. We're enabling that also with our hardware, which goes into the rooms, the devices, and we have two kits, one for a medium room, which is 50 meters squared, and that comprises of our Room Vision camera. It comprises of 4 of our room design speakers, the Room Hub, which is the heart and soul of the solution, which is running our RumeOS software, and we have a TCCM microphone from Sennheiser. So this is our medium room kit for 50 meters squared, and we're also launching in March of this year. We'll be delivering our large room kit. So in this case, we have our Room XL PTZ Camera. We have 6 of our room design speakers. Of course, we have the Room Hub, which is the heart of the product. And we have 2 TCCM microphones from Sennheiser. So these products are going to be all available. Medium one is available now, and the large one will be available from March. Thank you very much.